Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the accounting dashboards, your go-to spot for a full snapshot of your financial performance. Let's get started. From the home page, navigate to the main menu. Then, click on the Accounting module. Under Accounting, go ahead and select Dashboards. Here, you'll find two key dashboards, Journals and Invoices. Let's start with the Journals dashboard. This view gives you an overview of all your journals, like customer invoices, vendor bills, bank, and cash journals. Need to track more? Just hit the Add button at the top right to include new journals easily. Now, let's switch gears and head over to the Invoices dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for tracking all your invoices in one simple, user-friendly space. Right away, you'll see key invoice statistics, giving you insight into your business performance. Curious how your invoices are trending month by month? The monthly invoices graph breaks it all down for you visually. Scroll down and you'll spot a list of your top invoices and top products, great insights for decision-making. You can also see your top product categories, giving you even more clarity. And don't forget the filters at the top of the dashboard. Use these to refine your view and focus on exactly what you need, fast and efficiently. And that's a wrap. Now you know your way around the accounting dashboards in Invent ERP.